Welcome back to Vlogmas. Listen, I need to tell you guys what I got for my nails because I don't know if there's another time I'm gonna actually be able to do this. TikTok and Instagram already knows about it, but before I put everything together, I need you to make this, okay? We also have some cool things. It's this vlog, maybe I should say this, it's gonna be a bit scattered. So I definitely wanna show you guys what I got, like a couple little hauls here and there, some family time. But I'm just gonna start with this haul because I got everything for the most part from Amazon and maybe Walmart. Let's just get into it. Nails. They're all grown out, and as much as I love how they look, I do not like the nail salon experience. I've gone over and over again, number of years. Look at this. Look at that. They hardly ever really fit the nail perfectly. You know, there's always like a little bit of just, I don't know, imperfections that I would be okay with if I were doing it, but paying someone that amount of money to like have crooked nails and have your cuticles on fire, I just want to learn how to do it myself. And I want to share some of the things that I found on Amazon that I'm going to link down below. And I love Amazon because everything, especially if you have Prime, it just comes so fast. I love it. So let's just get into that. It's a lot, so be prepared. So there's a brand, Gelin. I got their nail extension kit. Very excited about this because it has literally everything that you need. Like, I love the look of like a little bit of an extension. So these are the short almond shape. It's my favorite shape, but it comes with like a little mini lamp. It comes with nail art. It comes with a top coat, a primer, nail dehydrator, buffer. Everything that you need is in this kit. Woo. And the crazy thing is I have a kit that I purchased. Let me show you. This is their starter kit that I purchased from Amazon. And it has basically a lot of the same things, but way more colors and a larger LED lamp. I've been using it, so it's all messed up, but that's the larger LED lamp. And it comes with a bunch of nail art and everything. I can link this one as well. So I posted this Instagram video just talking about self-care. They saw it, they were like, can we send you some stuff? So they sent me that kit and they sent me one more, so I'll show you that. So this is a spring colors kit. I love that it has a storage box and it has all of these kind of spring colors in it. Nail art kit, literally everything. I have everything that I need. And their stuff in particular is very, very affordable. So I will definitely link it down below. I'm very excited, and honestly, this is kind of what I love. Like, I buy something and then if a brand reaches out, it's like I already love the product. So I will link everything down below. Let me continue because there's a lot more. By the way, if you are not following me on Instagram and TikTok, you need to follow me because that's how you're gonna know like what I'm buying, the clothing I'm buying, the nail stuff I'm buying, the makeup, everything is there first. So follow me there. This is a nail extension kit by Apris. It's the Gel X nails. What I like about these is that they are completely translucent. So any kind of style that I wanna do, I can do it. Again, it's like a short almond shape, not too big. And all of the nails are numbered so that if they get jumbled up in here, I at least know what box it goes into. She's an organized queen over here, so that excites me. Before I got the gelling kit, I actually got this bonder, primer, and it's called Extend Gel Kit. And basically this dehydrates your nails, so there's not like oil and stuff left on your nails. Then it primes it so you can have like a smooth layer. And then this is actually, it's kind of like nail glue, but it's for gel. So you can basically use this, paint it on your nails, cure it with the lamp, and this is like your nail glue. So I wanted to give that a try, and I heard really good things about this brand as well. So, you know, I don't know which one I'm gonna like better. They're both probably fantastic, but I'll give it a try. Getting nails off is like, oh, I've never done it successfully without tearing up my nails. So this is what we got, okay? This I saw online, and it is the Aloe Vera I don't know. This is a nail polish gel remover. You paint it on, you leave it on for a few minutes, and it's supposed to help you remove gel nails. Love that idea. And then this I actually got from Walmart, but if it's on Amazon, I will link it. If it's on Walmart, I'll link it too. But you put your cotton pad, your remover on there, hold it on, holding it on for dear life. Look, I love this, okay? Because I've seen the ones where like it's pre-made foil and I was like, I'm not paying for aluminum foil. I couldn't do it. And then I don't like the idea of soaking in a bowl. So this is really cool because hopefully it will help keep the heat trapped in. I feel like it's pretty versatile, and I will link this as well, and it's a cute color. More tools to get everything off. Like, this is supposed to help scrape the gel off of your nails, push your cuticles back, all that stuff. And I accidentally got two, so I might return one. I don't know, I really like this one. Okay, so this is the one from Walmart. Oof, the look and feel of this one is just boss though. And these are from Amazon. And to be honest, the weight and the feel of this feels a little more luxury to me. So I think I'm gonna keep the ones from Amazon and take back the Walmart ones. But hey, I'm gonna link them both for you. This is giving luxury. This is a chrome polish, and I did this because I thought chrome nails look really, really cool. And at some point, I'm gonna get into nail art, and I wanna try this. And it looked really, really, really easy to use. So I figured, why not? And apparently Hailey Bieber does this nail. I don't know, I don't care. I just thought that it looked really cool. And before I got that gel and nail kit, I actually bought this mini curing lamp from Beetles, and it's also on Amazon. I got this because when you're using the gel extend as your nail glue, it's really nice to like paint this on, cure it really quickly, and then go ahead and use the larger lamp later on to really cure everything and make sure it's all dry, because you don't want irritation. I've been watching a ton of videos online, and I'm gonna try to do my nails like over time, like probably not all in the same day, because child, my patience is like this, and I'm hoping that by doing my nails and everything, it will just relax me, because every time I do it, I feel very relaxed. I get to watch all of my favorite YouTubers, my favorite Netflix shows, and it's in the comfort of my own home. I don't have to have earbuds in. It's just like a nice experience. And so I just wanted to share everything that I purchased from Amazon. Also, the couple things that were sent to me that honestly I was gonna purchase anyway. So yeah, there's that. I will link everything down below. And I'm gonna kind of like organize and put this stuff away because my room is looking crazy right now. I'm almost laughing at myself because I'm like, this is what I do for fun. I organize things. Actually, I don't even think I showed you guys, like, this is double-sided, by the way. I'm so excited to organize. Let me just go ahead and do this. So I can put polish here, and I can put polish on the other side. So it's like, like I've only lived, okay, I was about to say, did I break this? Hold on, let me like lift this. I've never lived in like a huge house or anything like that. So anything that can save me room and still be neat, that's, oh, and there's so many. So the starter kit that I purchased has a lot of nail art to begin with. So, but this little storage box has a lot of, like, this is a lot. There's little foil, brushes, glitter. I don't know what to do with all this. I have so much at this point, so I need to like kind of organize my life. Organize my nail stuff so that I can actually like get this done. I'm that type of person. I can't not work in chaos. And right now, all of my nail let me show you. Right now, all of my nail stuff is in these things, and I just need a better solution. So hopefully this helps a little bit. Oh, I got some storage boxes when I was in LA. Let me get those. You guys, I could only find these storage boxes at Daiso. Daiso is like a Japan store. I wonder if they have a Daiso online. If they do, I will link that. But these are the perfect storage boxes because they're clear. You can see what's inside of them. I have a few of them in my closet now, and I'm gonna use this a combination of that and this for organization. There's like foil, glitter, another nail buffer, brushes, more brushes. Cuticle, what is this? Cuticle oil. I don't even know what this is. Is this, oh, it's like foil for your nails. Okay, my first kit came with that as well. Oh, this is my favorite, little stickers. It's so good, and of course nail or toenail separators, love those. It comes with a lot. Ooh, ooh, cute.
Fly with the stars, I'm free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat. Make it boom, 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 boom. Fly with the stars, I'm free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat. Make it boom, 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 boom. I'm glad to be alive, yeah. Cause I don't wanna waste my time, no. I'm young and dumb and hopeless, right? But I'm bound to turn out alright, yeah. The city's really not my vibe now, so I'm moving out my parents' house, yeah. To go and live another life where my dreams don't lay down and die. I'll hang out with the folks on screen. I'll be chilling in a pot of gold. You should bet your money on me, cause I'm never ever coming home. I'll fly with the stars, I'm free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat.
Yeah. How's brushing going at home?
Good.
Good.
It's going really well.
Good. Light, and I just don't want it to be too bright for you, okay?
Wait a second.
There we go. Alright, some sunglasses, okay? How's that?
Good.
Good. Okay. I'm gonna put this little bib on your shirt because we don't want it to get it dirty, right? Yeah. Alright. Perfect.
What was that?
What was what?
What was that?
Where are you looking?
Watch out. There is something over there.
Oh, wow. You're such a good caretaker. Good job. Oh, did it come out?
Yes.
Oh, that's the wrong one.
Yes.
Did it come out? Wow.
I got a blue one.
You got a blue ball. Nice.
Dirty ball.
Good morning. Welcome to another day. Listen, it's a mess in here, okay? We've been filming a lot lately, which is a great thing. I am keeping it so simple today. Pink sweatshirt. I think this was probably from Gap or something. Oh no, it was a Target shirt. And then some jeans also from Target. Steve Madden boots, you guys. And then I'm putting my pea coat on. Really, the outfit is going to be with the pea coat. The pea coat is going to make everything. I'm hanging out with my son today. It's going to be very, very, very cute and cool because I am headed to Brittany Null, YouTuber, content creator. You might know her. She is having the launch of her first collaborative clothing line. So excited for her. Congratulations, girl, if you are watching. I'm also going to be hanging out with my son, taking a little break from being behind the computer screen or in front of the computer screen, editing, filming, as you guys can see from my backdrop. And this here, right here, this had a whole saga with this. Gonna be returning that eventually, hopefully in one of these vlogs. Lord have mercy, I'm so behind. Today is a mommy Sunday. I'm very excited about that. Let's go. We made it to one of the very few places where you have to pay to park. You ready, Da Vinci?
Yeah. Tempo, can you keep up with my tempo? Yeah.
So I am here at Luca to look at Brittany Null's collection. I think she literally just left. Girl, they said you just left. And I think, I want to say her collection is over here. They said it was around where the red is.
Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the trail. High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah, yeah. Blowing up, C4. I just had to go crack now on my Devo. Yeah, that Draco bustin' like free throws.
Look at this top, you guys. This is definitely on trend right now with this sort of, it's almost feather-like, but it also looks like fur. This is very cool. And then of course, you know, New Year's Eve is coming in. The sparkle pants are it. You cannot go wrong with the velvet for the holidays. This is such a, look at, you could even put those together. That's really cute. Ah, these jeans have a little sheen to them. So they're almost, they feel like regular jeans, but look kind of like leather. So that's like a nice spin on that.
Well, they have a kind of a shirt dress here. This is really, really nice for the holidays. So this is also a contender. And of course you can belt it as well, but I don't know, I'm kind of vibing with the cropped.
This is how things look with the feather top and the sequin pants. It's such a cute festive look.
I'm filled up, I don't know where you are tonight. Cause you're right, I've been starving and now I don't know what to do tonight. But I've been feeling like you're pretty easy to like. When your body is closer to mine, you got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it? Spending every minute together. I found it quite hard, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire.
They were very sweet. Da Vinci was so good. They gave him donuts the whole time. Like, they were very, very, very sweet. So I'm absolutely coming back. I recommend that place because it's hard to find a place in Kansas City that is up to date with their trends and fashion. So that's about to be my go-to.
You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it? Spending every minute together. I found it quite hard, quite lovely.
Whoa, we're inside a bus. Look at, everything's made out of beeswax. And they have chapstick.
Yeah.
So cool. There's like a little coffee house and there's burritos down there. Do you like burritos?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is like very warm. Wow. Out the window. But come on, you gotta stay close to me though, okay? Jay about this.
Thank you for hanging out with me.
You're welcome. Bye. Bye, everyone.